This is how you test compatibility with your CNC box to see if it'll work with Porcupine CNC Mod. Down here in the bottom on Planet CNC, CNC USB controller software, you're going to type /4202 and enter, and then /4203 enter. That's going to turn on outputs 2 and 3 on your CNC box. And in this picture here, I have drawn out with pins. I use tacks inside the LPT parallel port. It's easier to get a voltmeter to read signals off of it. Some voltmeters, the probes won't fit in the holes. Some will, but in this case, these pins work perfect. With the outputs on, your voltmeter, you'll test ground there, and then on out A and B, you will get voltage. It should be, going off of memory, I believe it was anywhere from 5 to 12 volts. You'll end up finding voltage there only when those outputs are on. Now, you can go over back to here if you have voltage there and double check that we can turn off the voltage there. So we're going to do /4202 again, enter, and then /4203 enter. And then if you go back to measure the voltage on those pins, you will find that they should all be at ground. If that all happens, then your box is compatible where you could run the mod hardware and get it to control external devices and the spindle speed.